How do I get indices of n maximum values in a NumPy array? NumPy proposes a way to get the index of the maximum value of an array via np.argmax. I would like a similar thing, but returning the indexes of the n maximum values. For instance, if I have an array 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, then argmax array n equals 3 would return the indices 4, 3, 1, which correspond to the elements 5, 4, 3.
Newer NumPy versions, 1.8 and up, have a function called rPartition for this. To get the indices of the 4 largest elements, do Unlike argsort, this function runs in linear time in the worst case, but the returned indices are not sorted, as can be seen from the result of evaluating it. If you need that too, sort them afterwards. To get the top k elements in sorted order in this way takes O n plus k log k time.
The simplest I've been able to come up with is this involves a complete sort of the array. I wonder if NumPy provides a built-in way to do a partial sort. So far I haven't been able to find one. If this solution turns out to be too slow, especially for small n, it may be worth looking at coding something up in Python.
Simpler yet. Wherein is the number of maximum values?
Use. For regular Python lists. If you use Python 2, use range instead of range. Source, heap queue algorithm.
E se o want to say more, please consider subscribing.